I had been a patient of Dr. Vanstrom for a few years, and then I had an unfortunate fall down our basement stairs.
Chandra fell, had a big fall, and really racked up some problems with her front teeth. And her mother immediately referred her to me, which was very flattering, and I was really happy to step in and help. We had to restore Chandra's smile.
I knocked out one tooth and damaged my front tooth.
We went ahead and we mixed in a couple of crowns with veneers, and we had to extract a tooth, and I had to guide that tissue back to health to place an implant properly and maintain her smile with an implant and a crown on that implant. And that's what we ended up doing for Chandra, and it turned out beautiful. I'm so proud of what we could do for her.
I loved him before. I love him so much more now. He gave me my smile back.